Hey folks, it's Florida Deere. Thanks for joining me today. Today we have sort of a not super special video, but kind of unusual video. We have a lawn tractor, and most of my channel focuses on garden tractors, but this one is going to be on a lawn tractor. And part of that was I had a couple subscribers ask why I don't do stuff on the X300 or LT or LX series tractors, and I'm like, well, those are good tractors. I just haven't owned any of them. So anyways, I saw this one for a decent price, so I picked it up. May use it a little bit, trade it for something else, which I might go over at the end of the video. But in the meantime, I figured I'd go over the history, specs, and maybe attachments and capability of this tractor. So this is an entry-level tractor, other than it's a X304 as opposed to an X300. The X300 is the entry level that you could get at a John Deere dealership, okay? So you can get cheaper tractors at Lowe's or Home Depot that are also John Deere, but they're not going to be as good a quality, I guess you could say. So this one came out in about 2000, in the mid-2000s, I want to say 2006, and it replaced the LT and LX tractors. The LT was sort of your basic tractor, and then your LX was sort of fancier, sometimes had power steering or some other hydraulics, and also had the four-wheel steer. So how you can tell this is different than a X300 is it has the 5-lug wheels on the back, which are 20 by 10 by 10. The front are 15 by 6 by 6. So that is the history, is that it is an entry level, almost entry level. It does have the four-wheel steer, but basically you have manual steering, manual lift. You'll lift the deck up with your foot, and you can adjust it on the right there on that knob right there. But nonetheless, it's a pretty basic tractor, entry level, probably around $3,000 to $4,000, new from a John Deere dealership. Okay, so the specs on this tractor is it comes with a 17 horsepower Kawasaki V-twin that's about, I think, 472 cc. It's the Kawasaki FH491V, and I'll show you it running right here. As you can see, this one only has about 153 hours. So this was a pretty low hour example of one of these. You generally don't get one this old that has that many hours on it, or that little hours on it, I should say. And then it also comes with a K46 tough torque transmission. It's also set up for the four-wheel steer. You can see some of the hardware there, and I'll show you some pictures as well. Comes with a 3.5 gallon fuel tank, and I don't think I had that. I think I was couldn't find the gas tank. I mean the gas can to fill it up. I had that loose, and I've been driving around with a not tightened down gas cap. But anyway, I think the original ones came with a K58 transmission, which is a slightly more heavy duty transmission, but John Deere, I guess, felt that they either wanted to be cheap or they thought that it wasn't necessary to have a heavy duty transmission in their lighter 300 series tractors. So this one has a K46 right now. It comes with a 3.5 gallon fuel tank. It can go about 5.5 miles per hour forward and about 4 miles per hour reverse. This is not a super lightweight machine without the deck, but full of gas. It comes in at about 556 pounds. This particular deck, I believe, adds another 92. It did come with 3 decks that I'm familiar with. It was 242 inch decks, one being a mulcher, and then the other one not a mulcher, and then there was a 38 inch deck. I have seen a couple of them outfitted with 48 inch decks from the internet. I'll show you these pictures right here. I don't know if they came that way from John Deere. I wouldn't mind getting something like that as a replacement for this thing, because this thing's kind of a little bit of Swiss cheese deck. I'm not sure if I'm going to try to tear that apart and repair it, or maybe look for another deck. I don't know, we'll see. But nonetheless, it comes with a couple different deck options. So beyond the deck options, which is largely what most people are going to use this tractor for, it does come with a couple other options, which is a bagger, you know, like leaf collection system, which will end up being on the side. You know, it'll be connected to the chute there, and it'll go to the back of the tractor like most baggers do. It also could be fitted with a snow plow or a snow blade, and also a snow blower. Now, to me, that would probably be a lot of weight on the front end of this tractor. You probably have to balance the back of this tractor if it's going to pick up a, you know, snow blower with any sort of regularity. And my guess is these front ends are probably heavy duty compared to, you know, what you would get in a box store, but they're still not going to be like John Deere garden tractor heavy duty with, you know, tougher transmissions, you know, thicker frames and beefier front axles. And I've kind of covered that before in some previous videos. Nonetheless, this is a pretty, you know, useful tractor. It's handy because it's 4-wheel steer, and, you know, it has generally some pretty good John Deere quality, and it's really just, you know, a nice tractor if you're looking to, you know, mow your lawn and do some other minor things, you know, maybe tow some things behind it and stuff like that. It's, you know, really a pretty good little tractor as far as lawn tractors go, and it's going to be way more on the affordable end of what you could pick up at a John Deere dealership. So that's to be, you know, noted right there as well. Well, folks, that wraps up this video of the John Deere X304, and they still make these. I want to say I'll put whatever the replacement is in the video, but nonetheless, they do have one that's an entry-level all-wheel steer model like this one. It's probably going to be a slightly different engine, might be the same transmission. We'll see. They've used those transmissions for a good bit of time. So, any case, hope you like this video. Hope you found it useful. If you're looking for a John Deere tractor, then hopefully this can give you a little bit of information on, you know, what you should be looking for, or what is out there if you see one of these on the used market. If you like this video, hit the like button. I'd appreciate that. And if you wanted to see more videos about John Deere garden tractors mostly, maybe we'll mix in some more lawn tractor videos, or my John Deere 1 series, you can click the subscribe button as well. I'd appreciate it. And hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thanks, bye.